That's really good, huh, bud? Do you like that? Is that your favorite meal? Cheese raviolis, and then vegetables. We had peas and corn and carrots. And Gerber graduates meal. That's pretty good. Can you wave hi? Can you say hi? It's all done. Can Mommy clean you off? Oh, goodness. Oh. We're all so sick, huh? See, I've been sick this whole week. You done? Say, I'm just like Daddy. I clean my plate. I clean my plate. I'm gonna lick it clean. Is that good? Houston, is that good? Yeah.